The camping season for Nova Scotia runs from May until October. Depending on the site, camping is scheduled to begin mid-May or early June. Provincial campgrounds were opened to Nova Scotians last June 15, and campsite reservations opened over 4 days started last June 8. In lieu of public health measures due to COVID, provincial campgrounds are only open to the residents of the four Atlantic provinces. Only campers with reservations will be allowed to enter campgrounds. Summer is the most popular season to camp. A summer camping trip can create memories that last a lifetime. Don't let the summer end without having one. If you are tenting, practice setting up the tent at home. It will help you speed up the process of setting up the tent at the actual area so that you aren't wasting your precious camping time fussing the tent poles. Waterproof your tent. Mother Nature is full of surprises. You can never be too sure what the weather be like. Pick your campsite ahead of time. Inquire about the accommodations for cabins and cottages. Kaylee Campground and Cottages. This is our home for 2 days. Usually, a big cabin can accommodate 6 people with 2 bedrooms and some pull-out beds. Search the area you're interested in exploring, like fishing, swimming, kayaking, canoeing, or any other outdoor activities you are interested with. Check also the site's amenities. Reserve your camping spot ahead of time. You do not want to end up spending your camping trip at your car. Be careful with the campfire. Never use gasoline as an aid to starting a campfire, and definitely never add it on an open flame as the flame could travel up in the stream and into the container into your hand. Keep plenty of water and a shovel around when you're done. Always keep your campfire out with sand and water. Bring games. During downtime, when everyone is tired to swim, hike, or explore, this is a great opportunity to keep the faith and still enjoy. Leave the campsite as you found it, a very important rule to follow, not only out of respect for those that come after you, but also to protect our beautiful outdoors. Bring out any trash you brought in, and be sure you didn't left anything behind. You feeling ready to go camping now?